All right, today we're doing an introduction to 10,000. So if we want to write, or if we want to look at our base 10 blocks, if we have 1,000 cube like we have right here, that is worth 1,000 because we have 10 100s added together. And if you can look, you can even count them in any direction. There's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then we go to the next place value, which is when we say 1,000. So if we have 9 of these blocks, the 1,000 base 10 blocks, then we say 9,000. We have 9 blocks, we have 9,000 single cubes. There are 9,000 cubes. But what happens if we add that 10th block? Okay, imagine it for a second. You have 9 of these cubes and we're about to add one more. We have to go up 1 place value. So then we're at 9,000, and if you count, move that out of the way. Let's see how many spots we have for place value. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have 9,000. But when we get to 10, I can't squish a 10 in there. The highest we can go is 9. So you've been saying this for a while, but now we're going to see it. 10,000. Let me scoot this up a little bit. So if you line it up right here, if we have 10 blocks stacked on top of each other, we have 10,000. Notice that we say, let me get a line here. Notice that we say these two together, just like we say the ones and the tens place together. Okay, I don't say 110,000. I don't say it that way. We combine it just like, again, the tens and the ones place. So the 10,000s and 1,000s place, say it together, just like the tens and the ones. Okay, so let's look at an abacus. If you remember, I have an abacus in class. Well, you can use it in all sorts of ways. One of those ways is by understanding place value. So if we have 2 10,000s, 1,000, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones, okay, how am I going to write that? I am going to put a 2 here. Let me get a black. So we have 2 of these, 1 of these, 3 hundreds, we have 2 tens, and 4 ones. So there's our count, but how does that look as a number? Okay, let's look under this one. There we have it. 21,000, then we need our comma, 324. Again, notice that we say 21,000. We say that together, the 10,000 place and the 1,000 place, and then we also say the tens place and the 1 place together. 21,324. So that is our introduction to that 5th place value, which is our 10,000 place value. Notice also that when you combine, you are going to also have, when you see 21, you can imagine it with the base 10 blocks, because if you have 2 10,000s and 1,000, I told you that we say it together, okay? You also would have that together. So if you could also not have that together. You could have 21 of these blocks. If you stacked up 21 of my base 10 blocks for the thousands cube, if you put 21 together, you would also have this number. So 21,000. So if you have 21 of those blocks, you would have 21,000, which if there were no hundreds, no tens and no ones, then it would look like this. And in that, folks, I actually rounded to the nearest thousands place on that one. Okay, so 21,000 if you had 21 of these blocks. Please come in and ask me any questions if you have questions about simply writing it and saying it, because we will be moving on and doing more with the 5-digit numbers. Okay, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 10,000 right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will see you all later.